Sina Ann Curtis Smith at Heart Evangelista ang binanggit ni Dana Decena, co-founder, owner ng Belleza Aesthetic Institute Ortigas bilang may pinakamagandang mukha among showbiz personalities. Si Dana ay anak ng kilalang negosyanteng si Cristina Decena, producer ng ilang shows bilang block timer sa GMA7. Sabi ni Dana, "It's a tie between Heart Evangelista and Ann Curtis. There's not a single flaw on their faces. No matter where they are in the world, they remain stunning. Their beauty is classic and timeless. I met Ann in person, and she truly is a goddess, Diyosa talaga." Si Marian Rivera naman ang maituturing ni Dr. Gia Francesca Valdez, resident aesthetic licensed doctor ng Belleza, na ang pinakamaganda sa paningin niya dahil napakapino ng kutis nito at maalaga sa katawan considering na may dalawa na itong anak. Bagamat 10 taon na ang klinik ng mag-iinang Decena ay mako-consider pa rin itong bago pagdating sa aesthetic and wellness industry dahil pagkatapos ng pandemic lang ito nakilala at naging word of mouth na. Naungusan ng Belleza Aesthetic Clinic ang The Ivy Clinic, Avignon Clinic, Royal Aesthetics, Elise Aesthetics and Bello Medical Group na pawang dekada na ang inabot sa pagpapaganda. Kaya gulat na gulat ang pamilya Decena sa pangunguna syempre ng mommy nilang si Cristina Decena at mga anak na sina KitKat, Tintin, MM, Chin at Dandan. "We were really surprised. Someone just posted on Instagram congratulating Belleza for being nominated. We were shocked because usually, someone messages you about these things," say ni Dana nang makachikahan namin kamakailan kasama ang Mommy Cristina at Dr. Gia. Dagdag pa, to even be nominated with them was already an honor. "These are clinics I had seen since I was young, on television and on billboards. I was nervous and starstruck by all the people at the event." Nasanay kasi si Dana na kapag dadalo ng award ay kasama ang nanay niya at sa pagkakataong ito ay sila lang ni Dr. Gia ang tumanggap ng award. "Wala kasi sa bansa noon si Ms. Cristina, nasa US ako noon kaya hindi ako nakasama at hindi rin ako makapaniwala dahil sobrang tough ang competition, diba? Feeling ko kaya naging word of mouth kami dahil sa magagaling naming mga doktor, mga equipment, at services namin. Siguro yun ang mag-ana consider." Maganda ang kwento kung bakit nagpatayo ng sariling aesthetic clinic si Ms. Cristina dahil sa tuwing pupunta siya sa kilalang wellness clinic ay parating mahaba ang pila at inaabot sis ng maghapon, bagay na hindi pwede sa oras niya dahil kaliwat kanan ang meetings niya bilang negosyante. Kwento ni Dana, "Mommy built this clinic because she wanted to have her own clinic, so she would not have to wait in line," sabay tawa. "She wanted special treatment." Personal na inaasikaso ni Dana ang mga kliyente nila. "Whenever I asked clients, or even those who come because of word of mouth, why they choose US, the answer is usually that we do not hard sell. Whatever the patient really needs, that is all we recommend. You are not here to sell. You are here to make someone beautiful," katwiran ng bunsong Decena. Isa pang advantage ng Belleza ay dahil iba rin ang client ni Dana dahil isa rin siyang licensed naturopathic practitioner. Aniya, "It is hard to trust because, of course, this is your face. Especially if something will be injected, they have to feel safe." Sabi rin ni Cristina, "We do not want just anyone injecting. The client always has to be safe." Ang services na ini-offer ng Belleza ayon kay Dana ay skin rejuvenation concerns scars, melasma, dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, as well as tightening and slimming treatments. The clinic offers a combination of non-invasive and minimally invasive treatments, including fillers, Botox and skin boosters, but remains careful about surgery. Whenever someone goes under the knife, there are complications. Their life is always at risk. As long as it can still be done without surgery, we would rather do that first. Sinang-ayunan din ito ni Dr. Gia na hindi rin siya pabor sa retoke at para mapangalagaan ang kutis ay, number 1 is really sunscreen, especially for concerns such as melasma. Always consult with your doctor before experimenting. Do not just follow every hype. Samantala, inamin ni Dana na sobrang pressure na sa kanya ang tinanggap nilang award na Beauty Clinic of the Year dahil dumami ang clients nila. When you are called Beauty Clinic of the Year, of course there is pressure, Now our focus is the total experience. From the moment clients enter, it has to be clean, bright and beautiful. Until the moment they leave, they should think, "We want to come back." Saad ni Chin Chin, pet name ni Dana.